Ano masabi ko namin sa inyo, pag punta nyo sa industry o whatever industry you go to.
Supervisor.
Mm.
Kasi pag sinasabi supervisor, parang supervise. So, basically, ang tingin ko sa supervisor, sila yung nag-manage ng relationship ng mga
That's
tao.
basic.
Yeah, basic lang.
Oh, sabi ano bang may mas importanteng role ka ang supervisor?
Maybe one of them.
Kaya close.
Yung the people that you're handling.
Well, same ba na yung sinabi ko? Same ba na kanina close na yun. Sinabi, ano ba yung sinabi mo? Ito yung ikaw nagsabi, sabi ko close. Close na. Pero not that close. Let's see. Pinaka-importanting role ng supervisor is to be able to duplicate himself. Kaya nag-duplicate mo yung sarili mo. Paano you go to the next level? Parang, kailangan yung supervisor o kunyari supervisor o yung tata. Kailangan yung alam ko, alam niya. Lahat ng secrets ko dapat magawa mo yun. Kasi, kaya naman ako naging supervisor kasi effective ako. Supposedly, ko. Effective ako, di ba? So, mas effective ako pag kayo, ang ginagawa ko, kaya nyo yung gawin. Kaya kahit mag-leave ako ng isang taon, naandar yung unit ko, di ba? So, ang objective mo nga sa mga tao ko, at the end of the day, tataas ko lang yung paano sa lamesa. Kasi maandar na yung unit ko, wala. Mag-i-imagine na lang ako ano yung improvements pang gagawin ko. Kasi each one of you are doing kayo ganun din. Kung meron kayong tao sa ilalim mo, i-duplicate ko rin yung sarili mo. Kasi yung iba, di ba, they don't do that. Kasi sabihin mo na, survival. Oo, survival. Kasi baka natutunan na yung trabaho ko. Hindi na yung trabaho. Ako hindi. Objective ko, napag-aang yung trabaho ko, at na-duplicate yung sarili ko na nagagawa ko. Bakit? Pag napag-aang mo yung trabaho ko, parang, if I'm doing things 8 hours a day, and I'm able to duplicate my work to you guys, nagawa niyo yung dapat niyo gawin. So, ang bigay my job, siguro 4 hours a day na. Parang malaki na sweldo ko na. And if I'm being paid for, let's say, 10,000 every month for doing an 8-hour job, now I'm doing 10,000 peso worth of job for 4 hours. Parang malaki na sweldo ko na. At saka, you can devote yung 4 hours for more studying, di ba? Nakapag-aral ka pa lang, di ba? And then you can move on. Okay, nabilig ka na. Nagiging ko na yung secret ko sa inyo.
Next question. Was there any experience where inaccurate information negatively affected the decision?
Negative information
Inaccurate information.
about my staff.
Even staff, it could be your staff.
So it's not work related. I mean,
It can be work related.
It could be activity. So, alright. Inaccurate information sa staff.
tinitingnan naman kasi this interview is about management, right?
Yes.
So, ano yung negative information?
Inaccurate.
Inaccurate information.
So, kunwari, in terms of staff, mali yung nakuha mong information dun sa staff na yun. Parang, ang tingin mo sa kanya, mabait siya. Ayun pala, pag wala ka na doon, yung iba naman, yung nag-iiba na pala ugali niya. In that terms, hindi na pala accurate.
That means you don't know you don't know your staff. That's why you should take time to know your staff. Para hindi ka, yun yung mga things na ang tawag dyan, you're caught hot-footed. Akala mo, this is a trusted person, parang hindi. Ganun ba yun? Parang ganun ang dating na.
It's related. Related siya.
Related. If it affects me,
and yung overall, yung workflow, yung process.
should have. I guess it should have.
since we now understand how valuable the role of information is to you as a manager, can you show us how you maintain and verify if the information that we got is accurate?
Again, information eh. Hindi naman na ano eh. Ano ba? When you say information about that employee,
Information that the employee gave you.
about work,
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
about work, not about himself.
No, no.
So parang ito eh, he was tasked to do something.
Yes.
And supposedly he's supposed to give me a report. And then, mali yung report.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Okay. Well, I will go back to your question then. Well, it will affect me. Because itong position ko, my my report goes up to management. Eh. So if I'm given a wrong report, so it's not that it gives a bad reflection of me, top management. So I wouldn't say na hindi ako affected. I'm really affected. So the next question, what I will do
Okay.
if I'm given wrong information.
Okay. Yung how valuable the role of the information is to you as a manager.
The role of the
How valuable the role of the information that was given to you.
how valuable. Well, any information is valuable. No?
How do you maintain and verify the information yung
Well,
nabigay po?
you impose levels of. Have you heard of the maker checker?
Not yet.
So you're supposed to impose maker checker concept, like you say. She will be the one doing the report. Somebody else will have to check it before posting it. Ganun lang yun. So, like, again, kung tapos ito sa dalawang ko, the reports ang dapat gawin sa akin, it's only will be using for reporting to management. Before she submits it to me, post dapat kay, for checking. And then he will tell me na, sir, okay na to. I have validated this. Pero kung minsan, kung kahit may ganyang level of may nangyayari pa rin. Okay.
Ito po pala yung lahat.
Yung mga questions sa sa likod.
Kaya pala nagtuturuan ko yung kanina.
Are there any other technologies or software systems that you think you still need in order to help you with your information needs as management?
Related ba yung tatlong question na yan? Sa kanila, how important is the information? Sa iyo, ano ba yung what will you do to protect the information? Sa iyo naman, ano yung software?
Are you?
Alam mo, pag nasa IT ka, walang katapusan improvement yan. There's always room for improvement. So, in answer to your question, yes, there will always be room for new softwares that you would want to implement. Like, let's say, like right now, I'm looking for a compliance tool. What does a compliance tool? Why would I look for a compliance tool? Because it will help me evaluate if right now what we're doing is tatanungin ko lang, nagko-comply ba kayo? Bigyan ko sa checklist. Ay! Bigyan ko sa checklist. Here's the checklist. These are the things that you should be complying to. Comply ako dyan, comply ako dyan. Pero hindi pala, di ba? It could be wrong in evaluating themselves. Now, we found a tool that will help me